Hello everybody, so today this is actually my first video. I just got Muffin the bunny yesterday. Muffin is my bunny's name. He has quite a nice setup here. Some people might say that water bottles aren't good for bunnies, but this is actually a really good water bottle. It may not look like it on camera, but it is. It even has like a floaty thing to tell if the water's full or if it needs to be changed or have more water. And that's actually, we got that from where we got Muffin. We just got Muffin yesterday. I will show you his setup, but first I'm going to show you his toys and his things he has inside of his little pen dash cage. First thing is this little hide, which he loves. He's not currently in it right now. He's sitting by his food waiting for some more pellets. This was actually a cat bed, but I saw it and I was like, hey, we should get this for Muffin. And my mom said, yeah, we should. So that's the first thing. So sorry if you hear barking in the background. That's my dogs. They won't be quiet to save their life. I have a whole bunch, like some quilts here, a blanket, another blanket, another quilt, another blankie. I have some food. He still hasn't finished his food from morning time. I have some of his treats here, which he loves. He's almost finished with this one. We just got him yesterday. And of course, we have Muffin here. He's a very well-behaved boy. He's very sweet. We have this little food dish with some pellets. I'm going to refill it. He's had it refilled at least 3 times today so far. One at 5 in the morning. Don't mind them. They fight sometimes. One at 5 in the morning. One when I woke up, which was around like 9 o'clock. And one before I brought him downstairs in the bedroom, which was about 11:40 or something like that. But we have that. We have a little a litter box. I'm still litter box training him, because he hasn't trained yet, but he's doing good, because and his age was unknown when we got him, so who knows, he could be like only a year old or he could be 5 years old. But either way, I think he's not too old. I'm gonna say he's maybe 3 years old, and he's not litter trained, so I'm still litter box training him. He has hay. He has these toys. He has a couple other, like, of these sticks from out of here. I just don't know where they went. But he has some of those. Put one there. He has this chew log, which also my guinea pigs have, and they love it. They love the stuff on the inside. And if you didn't know, bunnies and guinea pigs have to have something to chew on to keep their teeth down. Or not down, but, like, keep their teeth not too long. Because at some point, if they don't, their teeth will grow so much that they won't be able to close their mouth. And, yeah, now I'm going to show you on the outside of his little setup. He's a bit sleepy right now. He just got a whole bunch of snuggles earlier. Okay, so this is the outside. It's way bigger in person than it is on camera, but this is all his space he has. He has plenty of room to do binkies and zoomies. Okay, so there's these little latches here, and you just lift up the cage and put it down, and it latches all of them, because there's 1, 2, 3, and it's only like this if I'm up here, or it only has this one latched. And when I'm not up here, I put this latch, like the lock, on, just so that he doesn't like try to break out. My guinea pigs are being crazies back there. But I have a whole other channel for them. So I will, if I don't forget, I will tell you what it's called at the end of the video. If I forget, I'll try next video. So what we're going to be doing today is, I'm going to be playing like kind of a game. Also, Muffin is a boy. I forgot to mention. Really, you're going to eat your Seagull tropes right now on camera? Well, I suppose you don't really care. But anyway, Muffin is a boy. And we're going to be playing like kind of a game slash taste test. I'm going to go downstairs and I'm going to take each vegetable and fruit out of my refrigerator, one of each. And even if I have to cut it, I'm going to bring it up here on a plate. And I'm going to see which ones he likes best. Of course, I'm not going to bring down any radishes or mushrooms. I don't know if they can have tomatoes or not. I'm still going to have to search that, but yeah, of course not radishes and mushrooms, but anything else we have that's bunny friendly. Okay, I just had to show that she's eating the litter in their litter box. Okay, so this is what we have for vegetables and fruits. We have a lot more in these little drawers here. There's some cabbage in that drawer, and there's some peppers and carrots. So, also there's some apple, no mushrooms, no radishes. But I'm gonna give him a little bit of apple, some blueberry, cilantro, and basically, like I said, whatever is rabbit friendly. So I will be back when I have all that stuff picked out. And I already know he likes banana. He ate a lot of it last night. Also, I'm a big fan of Gwen and the bunny, so if like they see this, I'm gonna be so happy. But anyway, I'll be back when I have all the food ready. Alright, so I have everything right here for a muffin. I decided to put it in a bowl what was that? Instead, just because it would be more easy to take upstairs than it would to have a plate. But we have some peppers, some cabbage, broccoli, strawberry, carrots, grapes, and I forgot the banana, so I gotta go get some banana. Also, if he doesn't eat a lot of these things, it's probably because he's not hungry, because he's got a lot of crunchy food today, or pellets, whatever you want to call it, but he likes banana. I know that. It's just so cute to watch bunnies eat banana. So I'm going to take this upstairs, and I'll be back when I'm in his pen. He's falling asleep. Is this the wrong time? He's a bit sleepy. The guinea pigs smell the food and they think it's for them. Maybe this will wake them up. Is banana? Alright, let me peel this banana for him because he's licking his lips. Okay, I got the banana ready. Let's see if he wants some banana. Want some banana? His cheeks when he eats the banana. You could sit there and feed him banana all day. Alright, well we know he likes banana. Let's see if he likes some cabbage. Want some cabbage? No cabbage? You don't like cabbage. There we go. Well, he likes cabbage. I got a bit worried there because he has a full plate of cabbage. Want some pepper? No pepper? How about a bit of broccoli? This is very small. No, you don't even want the broccoli? No broccoli, okay. What about some carrots? No carrots? I'm sure he likes some of this stuff. It's just because he's a bit sleepy, I think. Want some grape? He doesn't even want the grape. Okay. I think this is... Nope, we still have the apple and the blueberries. And the cilantro. No. How about the top? He's just not hungry. Okay. You want any blueberry? Muffin? Blueberry? No blueberry either. Okay, well, we're going to try this again later. are just a very picky eater, aren't you? Last but not least, cilantro. You won't even. Okay. Well, how about we do banana again? I bet you'll eat some. That just fell. Bet you eat some banana, won't ya? Sneaky money. What are you doing? You want some banana? Looks like we're turning around. Muffin, banana? Want some banana? Okay, he's eating the banana. I have to. He's a very fast mover. Well, I guess all bunnies are very fast. Okay. Okay, here. No, oh. I thought you wanted some banana, silly. Okay, we'll try this again. Hurry, before he moves. Here, banana, banana. Oh, he likes that. And I promise I don't just reject my guinea pigs. I spend a lot of time with both of them. Oh, it's so cute. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I'll be back with another video soon.